India is demanding that WhatsApp build a way to trace user messages. Ooh. Hey, WhatsApp, what do you got? Encrypted something or other? Nah.
No.
We're the government. We're the Indian government. You better be telling us where these messages are going.
Yeah, let's just override that.
Yeah, you better be sharing that information real quick. Yeah, no problem. Just right here. Just put it right over here.
Mhm.
Just drop it off at the front door.
Yeah.
You see the DoorDash meal that was delivered? Put it right beside
Yeah.
that.
Add some cookies while you're at
Yeah,
it.
you put it right beside
Yeah.
that. The government proposes a hash system to circumvent the decryption question. See, for a long time, WhatsApp said, we can't do that. What you want us to do? Our whole thing is encrypted messaging. It's the whole pitch. What do you want us to do? Route it through you? Give you the tools to decrypt any single... What do you want us to do?
They're like, yes, absolutely.
Sure, but then they're like, all right, maybe we can just phrase this differently. They're like, no, okay, fine. Do your thing with the encryption. However, what if you just apply a unique identifier to each message? So we don't need to know the message necessarily, but we can just follow the transmission. Are you happy about this?
And then WhatsApp's like, fine.
The Indian government has specified a proposal to Facebook-owned WhatsApp that would involve tying an alphanumeric hash to every message sent on its platform without decrypting the message itself. The push for the app to follow new cybercrime rules comes as it struggles with a major hit to its reputation over a privacy policy change in the country. That's a news moment right there. Actually, I like this writing. Shout out to Jules Wong. You nailed it. I like that paragraph. WhatsApp has been under fire lately because of that new privacy policy.
Mm-hmm.
So there's the public and the government taking a closer look, but yeah, they want more control. You know,
Of course, yeah.
Technology companies, governments. It's another day, another story.
But doesn't it help WhatsApp that they just banned Signal in India?
They just banned Signal in India?
Oh, wait, was that China?
Of course it was China. How
Oh.
dare you?
Sorry.
Crypto, they were talking about banning in India. I see a lot of people who weren't so happy about that.
They want to make their
proposal.
own crypto.
The government.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, but anyway, yeah. You can move to Signal, Telegram. These are the services people are using. But
Right.
presumably, the government would have similar expectations of these alternative platforms to behave in a similar fashion.
Yeah.
At
No encryption.
some point. Yeah. Well, or encryption plus hash is
Sure.
the proposal here.